especially for the younger audience. We should teach chastity not as a religious concept, kundi as a social concept, while also not depriving anyone of help or education sa mga ganitong bagay. As we instill conservative social values when it comes to, again, chastity and no sex before marriage and all that stuff, while also being accepting of LGBTQ people and learning more about them, and accepting the fact that these things happen, and that we cannot just ignore this until some person kind of give us the talk that we needed for decades. But that's anything. Now we need to instill conservative social values while also being accepting of LGBTQ people and empathetic to other people's circumstances. And maybe let us be minusculely inconvenienced for a bit in accommodation for others. Kasi wala namang mangyayari kung tinuro mo na, hey, there's this thing called being gay and it is normal. We're not saying that you are gay, that, you all are gay. You all have the potential, you have the ability to be gay. That's not the thing here. We just want the children to know that what they are feeling is not unordinary. It is not something that should be pushed deep down, kasi it just cause mental anguish. Dahil sa study at backlash, nag-submit ngayon si Senator Rizal Ontiveros ng substitute bill para sa Prevention of Adolescent Pregnancy Bill, of which tinanggal niya yung, of all, the international standards thing na dinadada ng ating mga thought leaders and even the president.